Hello people, Carl Muller, Travel and Adventure. This is a story, or my experience, a review I guess, of this Polaris in-dash Android head unit that I purchased some months ago to replace the fairly useless unit that came with the car from the factory in 2016. I wanted this so I had more navigation, so I could go away on some more trips, but I'm on the second unit now. They just keep playing up. Mainly when I'm on the motorway and I go through tunnels on the motorway, it immediately starts playing up. Like screen going off and on, rebooting, just not working, losing GPS. So, as I said, I've got the second unit. I'm now heading over to Polaris's workshop, Seven Hills, which luckily is only 10 or 15 k's from me. Was one of the reasons I bought the unit, because I had backup fairly close. I could go to eBay and probably saved a few dollars, but then you've got to talk to China. So we'll see what they say. I'll be over there shortly and see if they can rectify this and get it working properly, or what's the alternative? Refund and go to eBay or somebody. So I'll get back to you with the results after they have a look at it, and we'll take it from there. Thank you. Okay, we're now at the office. This is where they are. Here we see the main screen when it first starts up. And now here is the screen showing Aussie Explorer navigation. Okay, I'm now on my way home after spending 3 hours there. We ripped the dash out again, took the unit out, they put it on the bench, and I guess they worked some magic on it. It now appears to work better than it ever has, so we'll see. One thing I don't like, and I didn't realise, it has the wrong screen. Most units have an anti-glare screen. This is just like plain glass, very shiny, hard to read, or impossible to read sometimes in the sun. Not happy with that. And I don't know about the software. The software does seem to be a little ticklish. Who knows? As I said, I'm a little afraid to go through tunnels. I'd like to go away and have a trip before it plays up again, potentially. It was always going through motorway tunnels that set it off. For whatever reason, they don't know, I don't know. So we'll see. Alright, thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button if you like the work. And I'll see you next time. Just a final thought, people. Would I buy it now? I don't know. Maybe I'd look around and see what else is available. As I say, the screen is one of the biggest bugbears. That's what the dealer sold this to me. Now I find out they have another model, slightly bigger screen, and you can move it around. It's actually out in front of the dash, and you can tilt it up and down, portrait, landscape. You probably could have been much better buying that. It was slightly dearer, but he sold me this one. This is what you need. And yes, it fits in the hole in the dash, but that's not the end of the story. If you can't see it, not much good, is it? And yeah, the software, the whole deal, as you say, in hindsight, you can be smart, but I'd bought off this dealer before and I trusted him, and he said this was the one to buy. So that's it. Make your own opinion. That's all I can say. Okay, bye.